Welcome to Factful Finance, where smart strategies meet real results. Here's a question. What if the next big thing in your financial journey isn't in the stock market or real estate, but in your imagination? Welcome to part 30 of our How to Make Money with AI series. And today, we're diving into one of the most exciting, lucrative, and wildly creative frontiers out there, AI-generated art. Now, before we go further, this is important. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Mentioning any platforms or tools doesn't mean we're endorsing them. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Let's start with the big picture. Why this even matters. The AI art market is booming. According to recent reports from Gartner and Deloitte, AI-generated creative assets are expected to grow into a multi-billion-dollar niche within the next 5 years. And platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and OpenSea are already seeing an explosion in AI-based listings. That's your opportunity. But this isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick. It takes skill, strategy, and some serious intention to make AI art that people want to buy. And more importantly, art that sells consistently. So how do you do it? Step 1, master the tools. And no, you don't need to know how to code. Start with the right AI image generators, each suited to different creative goals. If you're aiming for dreamlike, stylized visuals perfect for fantasy art, concept illustrations, or rich, surreal compositions, Midjourney is the gold standard. Artists like Theo Walsh have used it to generate collections that now sell on platforms like INPRNT and Displate. Need detailed editing, creative image variations, or unique compositions? ChatGPT's latest image model, which replaces DALL-E, lets you combine prompts with precision, add or remove elements, and remix ideas fast. Want flexibility and customization? Stable Diffusion is open source, which means you can fine-tune it for your style. Some of the most viral AI artists online are building custom models on top of it. If you're working in brand design or merch, Kittl's AI generator offers high-resolution typography-friendly images ideal for t-shirts, posters, or stickers. And Canva's AI tools integrate directly with their drag-and-drop layout platform, perfect for quick social media graphics or digital download packs. Game designer or concept artist? Check out Leonardo.ai. It's tailor-made for generating assets, character sheets, and environmental concept art. Want to go even further into motion or mixed media? Runway ML combines AI with real-time video and image editing, great for creators making music videos, TikToks, or animated storytelling. Now that you've got your toolbox, what do you do with it? Create a cohesive, niche-targeted collection. Let's say Jordan, a digital creator from Portland, started generating mythological animal illustrations using Midjourney and Canva. Instead of making random prints, she turned them into a themed coloring book, listed it as a digital download on Etsy, and made over $12,000 in her first 8 months. That brings us to income stream number 1, digital marketplaces. Etsy is still king for AI-based printable downloads. Think wall art, bookmarks, affirmation cards, journal templates, items with high perceived value and low delivery cost. And it's not just Etsy. Creative Market is ideal for design packs and wallpapers. Gumroad and Ko-fi are excellent for pay-what-you-want models or offering exclusive artwork to fans. Want passive income potential? Bundle your images as stock photography or textures. AI-generated assets are increasingly accepted on niche stock platforms and can be downloaded hundreds of times with just one upload. Income stream number 2, print on demand. This is where platforms like Printful, Printify, and Gelato come in. Here's the beauty. You generate the artwork, upload it once, and your product, be it a hoodie, a metal print, or a tote bag, is manufactured and shipped automatically when someone places an order. Sophia, a graphic designer from Melbourne, did just this with abstract Midjourney designs. She used Printify to sell minimalist home decor posters, and within 6 months, it turned into her primary source of income, generating over $2,000 a month in profit. Want to level up? Specialize in premium, curated platforms. Displate is built around high-quality metal prints, and their audience is already primed to buy art. INPRNT, on the other hand, is a curated marketplace for artists, so getting accepted means credibility and potentially higher margins. Now, if you're comfortable exploring Web3, let's talk NFTs and digital collectibles. Yes, the hype has cooled, but the fundamentals remain. On OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation, artists who focus on storytelling, unique series, and strong visual identity still stand out. If your AI-generated work has a clear theme and you build a loyal community around it, it becomes more than just pixels. It becomes collectible. Just be mindful of copyright. Even though you're using AI tools, your final product must be transformative and original. Don't copy artists. Create something new. Which leads to a crucial best practice. Always add your human touch. Edit your AI outputs. Use Photoshop, Lightroom, Canva, whatever fits to refine and personalize each piece. AI is a tool, but your perspective, that's the product. Once you've created and refined your collection, pricing strategy matters. Study competitors on each platform. Are they charging per print, per bundle? Are digital items priced low for volume or high for exclusivity? Bundle and upsell. Offer themed packs. Create tiered options with different resolutions or commercial licenses. And here's a bonus strategy: email marketing. Use free tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit to collect emails from buyers. Offer exclusive drops, early access, or behind-the-scenes content. Why? Because a single loyal customer is worth more than 10 one-time buyers. Let's not forget the tax side. If you're selling AI art regularly, this is a business. That means tracking expenses, subscriptions, platform fees, marketing costs, and reporting income. According to IRS regulations, any income earned from selling digital goods, including art, is taxable. If you're based outside the US, consult your local tax authority or a licensed accountant familiar with digital sales and creator economy income. Risk management is also key. Diversify your income sources. Don't just rely on Etsy. Have your art on at least 2 platforms. Ideally, one for digital, one for print on demand. Protect your work with proper licensing, clear terms of use, and where applicable, watermarking. So whether you're an artist looking to monetize your imagination or an entrepreneur seeking a scalable side hustle, AI-generated art is more than just a trend. It's a creative economy revolution. But the tools alone won't make you money. The strategy will. The consistency will. The understanding of what your audience wants. That's what turns art into income. Which platform are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. I check in regularly and love hearing how you're applying these ideas. If you found this helpful, wait until you see what's coming next. Click the video on screen and explore even more ways to turn AI into income. Let's keep building smarter, bolder, and financially stronger together.